Hello and welcome to my tutorial. Mr.NET is here. This is the first video. In the next videos I'm going to explain how we can implement a game like this. This tutorial is for Unity beginners. If you are interested, so please subscribe my channel, give me a comment, and see you in the next videos. So the first thing what we have to do is the setup. I use the Unity version 2019.3. If some versions from Unity that are released later and are not accorded or are not work with my tutorial, please write this into the comments so I can refresh my tutorial for you. So the first thing what is to do, I create a 2D project. After my project is created, we have here the scene window, the game window, and in the game window I change the size from my view from free aspect to standalone. I think that's enough to show you this tutorial. Then I have here my sample scene with my camera. And in the scene window, or in the sample scene, I create a new game object. Right click, game object, UI, a panel. And this panel is named game panel. And the game panel contains two other panels. I call one panel the card panel and scale it a little bit down. This panel later holds my cards for the game, and the panel on the top called information panel. This panel on the top holds the information from the game, the points, you see it later. So that's only the setup. So now I change the colors of my panels. I use for the game panel a green color. So the colors are different because you can transparent the panel or not. So if I change the color of my card panel, I can do it transparent or full not transparent. And for the game panel I choose this color. And my information panel use this color. So if you have here a star on the right side of your sample scene, don't forget to save your work. The next thing what is to do is to get my assets into the project. For that I create in the asset folder a new folder, and this folder is called resources. The name resources is in this case important because I'm using a script to load my resources, and for that I'm using an object called resources, and this object searches in the assets folder, the resources folder, and inside this folder I can load my object. It can be a picture or a MP3 data, whatever you want. So I create here a new folder called audio for my music, and other folder, images, for my pictures. So now I have here 4 pictures for my game and simple audio data. I take it with drag and drop into my project. So, and that's the setup for my game. Well, that's the first video. If you want to see the other videos, subscribe my channel, and hopefully I see you in the next video. Bye!